Hi guys, this is Vineet here. I'm from buildcar.com and we wanted to take an opportunity to show our customers that we truly understand their problems and how to best educate them when they're building their dream home. We have over here Dheeraj, who is one of our top vendors and who's going to show to you and explain to you in detail how you can evaluate if the concrete block you're buying is the right one for you or not. Dheeraj, it's your show. Please take it forward. Thank you.
My name is Dheeraj and I'm the proprietor of Aryan Concrete Blocks. We are basically into manufacturing of solid and hollow concrete blocks. We manufacture about 1 lakh blocks a month. Finishing. It does not have to be smooth finish to determine whether the quality of the block is good or bad. The aggregates, the dust 6 mm and 12 mm should be appropriately mixed, and the more dust you add and the more smooth it is, the lesser possibility of it getting tested. It does not matter whether the edges are chipped or not, because this is manufacturing. We have not printed blocks. So what happens is during loading and unloading, sometimes when it falls inappropriate angle, sometimes the edges will be broken. Edges won't matter. A block should be cured for 15 days minimum. It has to be, no matter what. And beyond 15 days, there are times when during this season it is not very sunny, so you will find the blocks a little wet on the surface. The blocks are wet from the surface when you see. It does not mean it has not been cured. It has just not been dried. As you can see, we have 2 blocks here. One on your left is the one that is cured, and one on your right is the one which is not cured properly. And I'm going to ask one of my person to throw both of them down. You will find the difference between which is cured and which is not cured. This is the cheapest and the accurate way to determine whether the block quality is good or bad. My person is ready to throw the uncured block from 12 feet high. As you can see, the uncured block is completely destroyed, and I can crush it absolutely with no effort with my own hand. And now from the same height, he is ready to throw the cured block. And here you can see the cured block is absolutely no damage. In fact, even the edges are not substantially damaged.